In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Microsoft Edge to its default settings, a useful procedure when you're encountering issues with your browser. We'll go through each step carefully with helpful tips along the way to ensure you can follow along without any hassle. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Edge on your device. Once the browser is up and running, turn your attention to the top right corner of the window where you'll see the three-dot menu symbol. Simply click on it. Selecting this will reveal a drop-down menu from which you'll need to choose Settings. This is your control central within Edge, allowing you to customize and manage your browsing experience. Next, turn your focus to the left sidebar within the Settings menu. Scroll down this list until you find the option labeled Reset Settings. This is where the magic begins. Once you click on this option, move to the next step where you'll see the button that reads Restore Settings to their default values. By clicking on this, you're initiating the process of clearing out any custom settings or glitches that might be causing problems. The prompt that appears will ask for your confirmation to proceed, so go ahead and click Reset. Doing this will revert Edge to its original factory settings, a great move if your browser has been acting up due to various settings tweaks or unwanted changes. An additional tip for ensuring smoother browsing involves clearing your browsing data. While optional, this step can prove exceptionally beneficial. Head back to the Settings menu and from there, navigate to Privacy, Search and Services. Here you'll find a section titled Clear Browsing Data. It's a good practice to perform this deeper level reset periodically. To proceed, select the option that says Choose what to clear. It's crucial to pay attention here as you'll be deciding exactly what data to erase. Choose all time for the time range to ensure nothing is left behind. You'll then be presented with a list of data types, such as browsing history, cookies, and cached files, that you can clear. You can select them all or just a few depending on your preference and needs. Finally, click on Clear Now. This step will erase all the selected data from your browser, giving you a fresh start. It might take a moment, so be patient while Edge does its thing. And there you have it, a full guide on resetting Microsoft Edge to improve performance and ensure a cleaner browsing experience. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial makes managing your browser a breeze. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Happy browsing!